Find or read reviews that people are talking about TATDOL Portable Home Steam Sauna Box. Acquire early reviews on products that have few or no reviews, helping shoppers make smarter buying decisions. Next, we are introduced some reasons why you should choose that. Easy install. The portable home steam sauna tent is easy to install. It takes less than a minute to open the tent and less than 10 minutes to install the entire home steam sauna tent. Size after install, LXWXH, 31.5 x 31.5 x 70.87 inch. The one-piece zipper of the sauna tent is easier to install and remove. You can take it to your home, school, apartment, and more. The Velcro design on the top helps you secure the door of the home steam sauna tent. Make your entry and exit sauna tent more convenient. 9 levels heating and 15-second fast heating. The full-size personal sauna box has 9 levels heating and can reach maximum temperature of 140 degrees Fahrenheit. The 2.6 liters large capacity sauna steamer with 1000 watt heating element can reach maximum temperature of 140 degrees Fahrenheit / 60 degrees Celsius in 15 minutes. The sauna steamer can be set to run for 1 to 90 minutes, allowing you to fully enjoy the steam sauna spa at home. The full-size personal sauna box is equipped with remote control that allows you to control the heating level and timing. Keep heat and corrosion resistance. The indoor sauna tent kit don't produce unpleasant chemical odors. The indoor sauna tent is made of high-density sealing material and waterproof canvas, which has the advantages of better heat loss prevention, heat preservation, fast drying and easy cleaning. The sauna tent adopts high-quality stainless steel pipe, rust-resistant and durable, not easy to deformation, long service life. The connector is made of high-quality PVC material, stable and strong. Safe and convenient. The sauna steamer will automatically turn off the power after the water in the boiler is boiled dry, and has the function of leakage and explosion prevention. When the steam hose is blocked, the safety valve on the steamer will pop open. Ensure your safe use of the home steam sauna box. There is storage pouch outside the sauna box for small items. There are two-way zipper and can be opened inside. The transparent window allow you can watch TV while watching your surrounding. Relax and health. The full-size personal sauna box gives you a better home spa experience, saving you time and money. When you come home and feel tired, you can relax at home using your personal sauna box. The heat emitted by the sauna tent box can relieve muscle pain, prevent fatigue, and detoxify the body. It can lose weight, improve skin tone, relieve stiffness and joint pain, improve blood circulation, promote more peaceful sleep, reduce stress. It is ideal gift for your family and friend. If you want to get full highlight features and / or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. Important, don't forget to press subscribe, press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads.